Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about Lily of the Valley. Oh, so fragrant. Such a short period that it's available, and oh, so fabulous. When you do get it, you want it to last as long as possible. Key is to separate it out. Make sure it's not banded together, no twisties. Divide it, loosen it, and then totally saturate it with Crowning Glory. Do all sides, down from the bottom, up from the top. You really can't do too much. Then, taking your knife, get a sharp cut and drop it into pre-mixed flower water and flower food. With that, it's going to last as long as possible. We all love Lily of the Valley. Now you know how the pros do it.